Good evening everyone. So today now 1 minute I'm going to make a book, miniature cute book. I'm really sorry that time I made it, but like I've said we'll not use glue and all, but really sorry for making use. So the things required are 1 A4 size paper and scissors only. This time I'm not going to stick any tape and not going to fool you at all. I'm really sorry for that video. It was like I forgot how to. I thought in my mind I would do that. After that, while doing it's like forgot. So I was just thinking, oh, it should be like 16. There should be 16 squares. Okay, correctly. Here, then fold this also. I'll show you each and every step clearly. Okay, now let me open this and see how many fours came right now. Whether it's 16. Okay, let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now, 1 minute, I just wanted to see in this middle. You can see, right, that we have to cut it from inside. Just like fold this and put on the 2 lines. You can see that. Then we have to cut it like this. Really, we have to cut it like this. Then let's time to make the book. Fold this. So this is the entry. Just follow the steps. That's it. Okay, so we like this. Then so we have done it like this, right? We have to cut that full, okay? The full part we have to just cut it off. Means in this middle you can see one line, right? Hope so you can see, all of you. Just cut it out. Okay. Now fold this like this, all. Then just follow the steps as I'm doing. It's like we cut it, right? So it will not like stay perfectly. So we have to only adjust. So coming like this, right? We have to cut this end also. So I'm like making a straight book. Every time most of the videos is that book means it is like not straight, right? So I'm just thought, why couldn't I make a straight cute book? Why is it possible like that? Okay, now let's test this. The first page, the second page is ready. Then let me open. Okay, my third page is also perfect. Fourth. Oh, all the pages are perfect. And this is like easier. Okay, so I say mini book. This is a mini drawing book. Okay, mini drawing book. All the pages are okay. No pages stirred. Something like that. No bad company. As I said you, we have to trim all the sides for making a straight book. It's like that type of books you see in many videos. So this is a bit different type of book. So only. Okay, so our mini drawing book is ready. Time to decorate it. So it's like, I didn't say you right. I'm really sorry. The most like John made it. So I just thought, why should I say? What should I say? How can I say? It will be like, you will feel ugly, like she's like not using anything, how she's making. So I'm just decorating this as a drawing, cute drawing, lovely book, which is very simple, right? You have observed that. And the main thing is that there is no glue in it, or no stapler, or no tape even. See, it's like a bit so easy. Not only a bit. If you are like on travels, you will think, let me give a mini book for my friends. Or if you're going somewhere, then like that you can make it. Or if your friends are going to India forever and all, it will be so sad, I know that. In that situation, you can like just give this type of things. They'll like feel so happy. They will think that, oh, my friend is so sweet, like that. So my cute kawaii book, not kawaii cute craft die book is ready. So let me count up sides. How many sizes have? So we made 16, so it will have 25. Starting 1, just counting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my god! It's having 29 pages. Actually, it is 30 actually. So 30 pages book. And without using glue, only one paper, just with this and scissors we completed. What a great. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you. If you like this video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.